लोक सचिनाचे याद उरता आनी आमीर खानचे वता, पूण ताणें बाबा एडवर्टायजमेंट कसलो केला हें एका मिनटान विसरलें. एडवर्टायजमेंट चालू आसतना प्रॉडक्ट तांकां दिसता पूण विसरता ते, कित्याक द पर्सनॅलिटी ऑफ द ब्रँड एम्बेसिडर इज सो हाय.
ताचो एडवर्टायजमेंट करता आसतना हो मान दवरपाक जाय की तो प्रॉडक्ट प्रमोट करपाक आसा, ती पर्सनॅलिटी प्रमोट
आपले प्रमोशन. पूण ऑफकोर्स हातून सक्सेसफूल जाता न्ही. आतां अमिताभ बच्चन इज
गुजरातचे
is the brand ambassador for Gujarat tourism. And it has been a very highly acclaimed advertising campaign. It's not just because Amitabh Bachchan yesterday, it is very packaged very well. And selling tourism in Gujarat is a little difficult. Why is not because Gujarat is, it's not beautiful. Gujarat is also very beautiful. But Gujarat, I think there's prohibition there. There's no liquor sale. Liquor is not available. So when you go on a holiday, liquor also becomes having a beer, having a drink is part of your fun activity. So ज्या जाग्यार लिकर मेळना ते स्पेशली फॉरेन टुरिस्ट ही इज नॉट हेजिटेंट टू गो.
त्या एडवर्टायझींग गुजरातचे जे कितें कल्चरल किंवा सांस्कृतिक जे हें आसा ते खूब बऱ्या तरेन दाखयलें.
हय तांच्यानी.
आनी त्या भायर म्हणजे एखाद्या कडेन क्वॉलिटीज आसपाक जाय, तो क्रिएटीव आसपाक जाय. त्या भायर ताका आनी खंयची गजाल लक्षांत दवरूंक जाय. कारण एडवर्टायझींग हें अशें क्षेत्र आसा की जंय फक्त क्रिएटीव आसून जायना. म्हणजे तुमी एखादो नॉवेल आसा, तुमी भरमसाट नॉवेल बरयता, जाय तशें बरयता, हांगा घागर में सागर भरप जें आसा की एका वळीन सगळें सामावून घेवप, हाच्या व्यतिरिक्त खंयची क्वॉलिटी एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्रांत आसूंक जाय अशें तुमकां दिसता?
See, as I said before, common sense is most uncommon. Common sense is very important. See, you may have different ideas and you may have the best of ideas, but if they are not practical ideas, it is waste. But you may be practical, you may have good ideas, but if you don't have the budget, again it is a waste. So it's basically a combination of all those small factors which come into play on how to have a successful advertising campaign. You may want to advertise in India today, but तुझ्याकडे समज budget ना, you can't advertise in India today. You have to think, Baba, in the least possible budget, what is the most cost-effective communication? How to reach the your target audience? You must first also target audience खंयचे ते तुका पयलीं कळपाक जाय. If you're selling a woman's product, no point in advertising in a political magazine, which mostly is read by men. I'm not saying women don't read political magazine, but the tendency is that it's read more by men. So if you want to, highlight a woman's product, ideally you must go for feminine magazines like Femina, Woman's Era.
म्हणजे एक तुमचो टार्गेट कोणाक तर धरून जाय आणि कमीत कमी रिसोर्सेस चडांत चड तेजो
ऍब्सोल्युटली.
सर त्या भायर म्हणजे हे एडवर्टायझींगचे हे क्षेत्र जालें, पण आमी सगळे जाण पळयतात की एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्रांत जे मनीस काम करतात ते फक्त कितें एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्रांतूच ना, एक तर ते खंयचे तर दुसऱ्या क्षेत्रांतले असले ते एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्रांत आयले. म्हणजे खूब उदाहरणां आमी दिवं शकता. धाबोळकर आसतले, नाल्यार आमचे मराठी कवी अरुण कोलटकर आशिल्ले. एक तर वेगळ्या क्षेत्रांतले एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्रांत आयले किंवा एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्रांत असले ते वेगळ्या क्षेत्रांत गेले. तेन्ना एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्राक लागींची अशी खंयची क्षेत्रां आसात?
See, advertising is today a highly paid profession. When you advertising engine to Surata as a visualizer, then you become senior visualizer, junior art director, creative director. Today a creative director in Bombay earns minimum 3 lakh rupees a month. So these salaries are good salaries in today's, I will not say recession, but today when there is a recession. So a lot of engineers who have done IIT or done IIM's management, they are getting into advertising because it is not only a highly paid profession, but it's a highly glamorous profession. You become known people, you get associated with you have exposure on TV, you have exposure on newspapers, and today companies are willing to spend that much money for the growth of the product. That is basically now coming back to, like, I did my degree in advertising. I Mumbai galo. I did my 2 years training in Bombay. I worked with Gautam Rajaks, who was that time India's best known film photographer. I worked in advertising agency. I worked in the printing press. But ह्या 2 वर्सां जेन्ना मुंबय आसलो तेन्ना we were never getting a structured salary. It was more of an apprenticeship, and that was not enough to carry you in Bombay. So I was freelancing for Navin Times. गोयचो पेपरचो Navin Times. I used to write for it from Bombay. तेन्ना ईमेल नासली, सो हातान प्रेस नोट तयार करून रिपोर्ट तयार करून एअरपोर्टार वचपाक जाय, कोणाकडेन दिवपाक जाय एनवेलोप, तो Navin Timसान हाडून डिलिव्हर करतालो. फोटोग्राफ आमी फॅक्सरे धाडटाले और तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता ते प्रिंटूच काडून दिताले. सो exposure in fields beside advertising is you can get into journalism. Like a lot of students of art college have become photojournalists. Goan the Times of Indian photographer Raj Tilak Naik. He's come from advertising background. He's done his photographs are definitely have an edge over photographs taken by non art college graduates, because his sense of design is better. He understands what is depth, what is color combination. So that advantage he has. You can get into television. You can become a professional photojournalist, television journalist. You can become an art director. Today a lot of movies asa तांचे sets ते तयार करता पळय. तो आता मग तुका शूटिंग फोर्टाचे शूटिंग आहे, तू ॲक्च्युअल फोर्टान वचना शूटिंग करपा. यू क्रिएट दॅट फोर्ट इन एट अ फिल्म सिटी. तो फोर्ट तयार डिझायन करता, एक्झिक्यूट करून घेता आर्ट डायरेक्टर्स. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द आर्ट डायरेक्टर्स 80% ऑफ देम आर कम फ्रॉम आर्ट कॉलेज बॅकग्राउंड. So they create the set. So even when shooting of a TV serial, तुका घर दाखवपाक जाय, or you want to show a mall, you have to create that ambience of a mall. So those objects you have to bring in there to resemble a mall. So all this is done by art directors. So most of them come from advertising background. or art college background.
म्हणजे याचा अर्थ तुम्ही ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग क्षेत्रात असा किंवा एका खंयच्या तरी जाग्यार असा, म्हणजे नॉर्मली आम्ही जे पळयतात की गव्हर्मेंट सेक्टरान एखादो मनीस लागता आणि तो वाट पळयता की म्हाका केन्ना प्रमोशन मेळटलें, केन्ना प्रमोशन मेळटलें. ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग क्षेत्र हें अशें न्ही, तर तुम्ही बाप दाखव नाही तर श्राद्ध घाल, म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमची एबिलिटी दाखया आणि फुडें वचपाक खूब वर्टिकल मोबिलिटी खूब आसा.
बेसिकली एंटरप्रेन्युअर स्किल्स इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. यू हॅव टू हॅव द अर्ज टू एक्सेल. हांवें म्हजी एजन्सी सुरू केली 20 वर्सां पयलीं, एडवर्टायझिंग एसोसिएट्स. हांव नवीन टायम्सान आसलो. आय जस्ट लेफ्ट नवीन टायम एंड स्टार्ट अप माय एजन्सी. नागेश बाब धेंपो वॉज द चेअरमॅन ऑफ नवीन टायम्स.
एज अ एंटरप्रेनर म्हणून ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग क्षेत्रांत तुम्ही हे सांगलां की जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज खंय खंय आसा, की वेगवेगळ्या हातून तुम्ही ग्राफिक्सान वचूं शकता, एनिमेशन करून तुम्ही जॉईन जावं शकता आनी कितें जावं शकता. एज अ एंटरप्रेनर म्हणून जर स्वताक सुरवात करपाक जाय जाल्यार भांडवलाची कितकी आवश्यकता आसा? कारण खूब जाण अशें विचारता की आमकां धंदो वेवसाय सुरू करपाक जाय, आमचे कडेन भांडवल ना. तर भांडवल हो भाग कितलो महत्वाचो आसता आनी तेजे खातीर आनी कितें तयारी करपाक जाय?
मेन कॅपिटल रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टार्टिंग एजन्सी इज ब्रेन, and that everybody has. What is required is urge to excel, urge to find opportunity. So हांव जेन्ना आर्ट कॉलेजीन पास जालो, 2 वर्सां नवीन टायम्सान काम केली. I was not in Navin Times only for a job. At those 2 years or 1 year I spent, I developed my contacts. I got to meet people, and that I used when I started up my agency. Basically, chairman of Dempo Group, tu kidak sota Navin Times. I said I want to get into business. I want to set up agency. So, I appreciate that. It's courageous that you are doing something. I will give you the entire Dempo account. So my first big client was the entire Dempo group. Dempo was at that time advertising through agency in Bombay. So the 8 companies of Dempo all became my clients. So there's a stroke of luck, which is also very.
म्हणण्यापेक्षा तेच भाव धाडस करप, एक कॅल्क्युलेटिव्ह रिस्क घेवप.
म्हाका तेन्ना भंय दिसलो की एंटायर Dempo म्हजे कडेन कशें जातलें. बट आय दॅट टायम आय हायर्ड प्रोफेशनल्स, माय ओन क्लासमेट्स. आय टोल्ड देम जॉइन मी. I am not taking you as an employee. You work with me. We will work together. So I hired professionals to write English copy. I hired students of English literature. I went to.
म्हणजे तुम्ही विवा गोवा हाचे एडिटर आसात, थंय तुम्ही त्या क्षेत्रांत
बेसिकली कितें, आफ्टर I got into advertising and we were doing well. See, I had a little advantage of first mover advantage म्हणटात. So I had done my training in Bombay. There were not many.
म्हणजे तोच तुमकां प्रश्न म्हाका विचारपाक जाय आसलो की समजा एडवर्टायझिंग क्षेत्रांत जर तुमकां वतले जाल्यार फक्त तुम्ही गोवा हेच आपली कर्मभूमी अशें न मानता, जे बॉम्बे कदाचित आसत की जंय भरपूर एक्सपोजर आसा, अशा कडेन वचपाची तुम्ही मनाची तयारी
दवरपाक जाय. डू अ कॅरियर इन एडवर्टायझिंग यू हॅव टू गो टू अ मेट्रो. एंड फॉर गोवा बॉम्बे इज द क्लोजस्ट मेट्रो. म्हणजे मुंबय तुवें रावत जाल्यार तुका एक्चुअली एडवर्टायझिंगाचे इट्स नॉट एज मेका ऑफ इंडियन एडवर्टायझिंग. यू नो the ocean. It is a ocean, and where you learn so many things. You get exposure, you meet people who have excelled in this field. Now just coming to your first question again, basically as we were running at the agency, we were doing well, then we realized that advertising is just not enough to promote a product. So आम्ही event division सुरू केले. We started doing exhibitions, we started doing road shows abroad. Go and big vacancy for a English lifestyle magazine. It was not there, and I was scared that there's somebody from Bombay or some non-Goan वील सेटअप अ इंग्लीश मॅगझीन एंड टेल आमच्याच गोंयकारांक आमचें लायफस्टायल कितें हें भायल्या लोकांक सांगप म्हणजे इन्सल्ट आमकां.
ओके, म्हणजे समाजान गरज कसली आसा, सोसायटीची गरज कितें आसा ही टायम टू टायम वळखप हें महत्वाचें. आणि दुसरी गजाल फक्त फॉर्मल एज्युकेशन घेतलां आनी ताच्या जिवाचेर आपण आयुष्यभर झोडटलो अशें ना, की प्रत्येक वेळा अपडेट रावप हें खूब आवश्यक जाल्लें आसा. सर, एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्र हें वाडटा हाच्या बद्दल डावट ना. आणि आयज तर अशें आसा की खूब व्हडल्या व्हडल्या पेपराचे मालक अशें सांगता की आमच्या पेपरान आमी एडवर्टायझींग हेका चड म्हत्व दिता, टायम्स ऑफ इंडिया सारको पेपर म्हणटा. तर आयज गोव्यान एडवर्टायझींग क्षेत्राचो स्कोप कसो वाडटा आनी येणाऱ्या काळान तो स्कोप आनी कसो वाडपाचो आसा?
See, new and new products are coming. Everybody is looking at the same market. So unless you advertise and you hit at the consumer, you will not sell. And only if you sell, you grow. You are not in the market to do social work. It may be a product or it may be a service. If you are in, say, courier service, people have to know that you are effective, and for that communication is very important. And communication comes through advertising. Advertising is very important to convey your message to the consumer in the most cost effective way. So that part is important. And Goan today we are lucky that if you do advertisement in newspaper and to some extent on TV and on outdoor like hoardings, your message goes across. Now that is good if you want to set up an agency and you want to stay in Goa with that limited resources. But tuka samaj professionally grows up, like going to Bombay or going to Bangalore is very important for your own professional growth.
Okay.
And that growth only will come when you have exposure in Bombay, when you meet professionals in Bombay, when you sit with them, talk to them, work under them. That's where you learn.
Okay.
Going down, you think आपल्या सगळ्याच खबर आहा तशें जायना. आनी पेरंट्सांनी मातशी धाडस दोन आपल्या भुरग्यांक एटलीस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन जातकच पयलीं धाडना जाल्यार ग्रॅज्युएशन जातकच धाडपाक जाय तांकां.
म्हणजे एडवर्टायझींग हें क्षेत्र वेगळो विचार करपी आसात, पण आपली वाट सुद्दां मातशी वांकडी करून वेगळी क्षेत्रांत जर आपण गेलो, वेगळ्या भागांत गेलो, तर आपण चड हें करूं शकता. आनी गोंयकार हो कलाकार आसा, गोंयकार हो वेगळो विचार करपी आसा. फक्त मातशी गरज आसा ती कळाची, त्या धाडसाची गरज आसा जी तुमी दाखयली. सर, तुमी हांगा आयले आनी ह्या क्षेत्रा विशीं खूब विस्तारान म्हायती दिली, त्या बद्दल प्रुडंटच्या वतीन आमचे देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हे आशिल्ले केदार तुमे, करियर इन एडवर्टायझींग ह्या विशीं त्यांनी मार्गदर्शन केलें. ही कार्यावळ तुमकां दर शुक्रार दनपारां 1:30 आनी रातची 10:30 वरांक पळोवंक मेळटली. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.